सत्य एंड सृष्टि क्लासेस में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज हम क्लास 6 साइंस के चैप्टर नंबर 14 दैट इज वाटर का टेक्स्ट बुक क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर डिस्कस करेंगे। योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फिल अप द ब्लैंक्स इन द फॉलोइंग। द प्रोसेस ऑफ चेंजिंग वाटर इनटू इट्स वेपर इज कॉल्ड वाटर इनटू इट्स वेपर इट इज कॉल्ड इवापोरेशन। ओके, इट इज कॉल्ड evaporation. Next, the process of changing water vapor into water is called water vapor into water, it is condensation. Next, no rainfall for a year or more may lead to dash in that region. No rainfall, that leads to your droughts. Excessive rains may cause, excessive rain होने से क्या बाढ़ आ जाता है, that is floods. Next, question number 2. State for each of the following whether it is due to evaporation or condensation. First one is water drops appear on the outer surface of a glass containing cold water. This is due to process of condensation. This is condensation. You may write C. Next, fog appearing in a cold winter morning. This is also due to condensation. Next, steam rising from wet clothes while they are ironed. This process is your evaporation. Next, blackboard dries up after wiping it. It is also evaporation. Next, steam rising from a hot girdle when water is sprinkled on it. This is evaporation. Next, question number 3. Which of the following statements are true? Your first one is water vapor is present in air only during the monsoon. Is it correct? No, this is false. मानसून में ज़्यादा रहता है वाटर वेपर, इसका मतलब नहीं कि ओनली मानसून में रहता है. Water vapor is present in air in small proportion during all the season. So, your first one is, this is false. Next, water evaporates into air from oceans, rivers and lakes but not from the soil. This statement is also false. Water evaporates into air from oceans, rivers, lakes and also from the soil. Next, the process of water changing into its vapor is called evaporation. Yes, it is true. The evaporation of water takes place only in the sunlight. No, this is false. Wind के थ्रू भी evaporation हो सकता है. Yes. Next, water vapor condenses to form teeny droplets of water in the upper layer of air where it is cooler. Yes, it is true. Next, question number 4. Suppose you want to dry your school uniform quickly. Would spreading it near an angiti or heater help? If yes, how? Yes, spreading the school uniform near heater would help to dry the school uniform faster because heat from heater causes evaporation of water from the cloth. Next, question number 5. Take out a cooled bottle of water from refrigerator and keep it on a table. After some time you notice a puddle of water around it. Why? As the temperature outside the refrigerator is higher than the refrigerator, so when the cold bottle of water is kept on a table, the water vapors that is present in air come in contact with the cold surface of glass and gets condensed, and as a result puddle of water appears around the bottle. Next, question number 6. To clean the spectacles, people often breathe out on glasses to make them wet. Explain why the glasses become wet. When we breathe out, the hot air comes out from our mouth, which get condensed and changed into tiny water droplets, and glasses become wet. Next, question number 7. How are clouds formed? Clouds कैसे फॉर्म होता है, कैसे बनता है? The clouds are formed in the following steps. The air containing water is heated up by sun and being lighter moves higher from the surface of the earth and gets cooler. At sufficient heights, the air condenses to form teeny droplets of water. These teeny droplets remain floating in air, which appear as clouds. Next, question number 8. When does drought occur? When there is a lack of rain for a long period over an area, which causes dryness and non-availability of water to plants and animals, drought occurs. Okay, thank you.